What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write an article on LinkedIn. It's very easy to do. So all you have to do, guys, is just simply click where you have the section that says write article right below, start a post. Once you click on that, it's going to take you over to this page here where you can even upload a cover image from your computer. So I'm going to just choose something randomly. I'm going to choose something randomly. So let's open up, for example, this image here, click on next, and let's say that's basically what I want to add there, right? At any point in time, you can edit the image and you can just click on edit and you can just zoom it out and, just to make it the way how you want. You can always do that, and, you can filter it, you can adjust it the way you want. It's really up to you how you want to do it, brightness and all those good stuff, right? Scroll down, you have so much stuff that you can do. Once you're ready, just click on apply, move on to the next step, right? Now you can go ahead and just start writing whatever you want. No, I'm gonna just simply find an article here, something online, just so you can see. But in your case, you can go ahead and you can just write whatever you want. So let's say this is what I want to write, or let's say this is what I write. Yeah, let's say that's it. We're just using this as an example. I can put the details there. The title is also required as well, so you want to ensure that when you're writing your article, you put it. One of the cool things is that you also have the power of AI to actually help you to write articles and do all of those good stuff. But of course, you have to have the premium account here on LinkedIn to be able to use that, right? So you want to have the premium features there to be able to use the power of the AI to help you do quite a lot, right? So if you like to learn more about that, guys, you can just let me know in the comments. But if you check here on the upper right hand side, you have premium. You can just simply open. Let me open that and show you. You can try LinkedIn Premium for free. Just go ahead and just head over to the section here and you can proceed, and you can just basically see what you can get with LinkedIn Premium. You can try the LinkedIn Premium there when you are ready, right? So once you have that, you can easily write your article and basically have that whenever you're ready. Now once you're done, you have the option here at the upper right hand side. You can preview, right? You can go ahead and you can schedule it if you want. You can publish it if you want. Go on to the next side as well. You can go ahead and you can add more details here, some title. So I can just write something here. Then I can go ahead and I can schedule it if I want to, whenever I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and just say I want to publish right away. Just simply click on next, and you can go ahead and you can schedule it if you so desire. If you don't want to schedule a post, guys, you can remove it, clear the time, and just simply click on publish, and that's going to publish the article for you. So as you can see here, I made it publish, right? You can get a link and you can post it and share that in X, or you can post it on Facebook as well. But once you do that, it will be published and you will have that in your LinkedIn account. If you go back to your homepage as well, and once you make those posts, guys, if you're not able to see it here on your homepage, you can easily find that publish article. Just go ahead and click the drop down under your profile and you will see under the manage section post and activity. Click on that and you will be able to see your post article that you have written and what you have posted. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.